I want to be very clear on some of these issues. Now, you've already told this court that you were not sent to the strong room to take instructions from the chairperson of the first respondent. Is that correct? Your presence in the strong room was to see to the cause of the petitioner, but not to take instructions from the first respondent. You were asked this question and you admitted, you said yes.
And I indicated that.
Please, you said yes, you were not to take instructions from the first respondent.
My lord, yes.
So, when the first respondent said, go and consult the petitioner, what were you going to discuss with the petitioner? You were in the strong room for a purpose. He told you to go and consult the petitioner. On what? I want to know.
My lord, on the specific irregularities that we have brought to her attention, and she did indicate also that the reason she was asking us to do so that all the stakeholders, including the NPP, Peace Council and others, could be invited to ensure that we have a credible result before the announcement is made.
But you know that part of your duties in the strong room, at the end of the day, if you have refused to sign, was to indicate the reasons why you had refused to sign.
My lord, it appears to me that there is a particular side of this narrative that has not been very clear. I am saying with the greatest of respect that the forms that arrived in the room and within that room itself, there has been no space whatsoever for us.
No, I don't mean that. I am saying that at a point in time in the strong room, there will be a time for you to indicate your displeasures on what has happened,
my lord,
to the EC.
We know that, and we had hoped to get that opportunity, but that opportunity was denied us.
Please. Then, you see, would it be right for me to say that by taking contrary instructions from the chairperson of the first respondent, granted what you are saying is true, you did not help the cause of the petitioner who sent you there?
My lord, I don't believe that is true. We were working in furtherance of making sure that the results that ultimately gets announced by the first respondent reflect and represent the will of the people. And if she asking us to consult with the petitioner is part of how we could get there, we were happy to do it.
But then, seriously speaking, you did not take your training seriously. You know, no, please.
It's not an appropriate question.
I want to be clear. You've gone to do a particular job. Then, instead of doing the particular job that sent you there, you take instructions from somebody else. Then you leave your job. You see, that's what I want to find out. Then you did not help the petitioner.
My lord, with respect, his lordship is entitled to his opinion about what the petitioner did. Yeah. In terms of factual evidence about what he did and the reasons that he has answered. He has, in terms of, his lordship can have his opinion. That's his opinion to have, and he can have it as well. But in terms of what the petitioner did and why he did it, he has answered the question. So I don't think he can be harassed with these opinions.
Please, I take deference to that. I am not harassing the witness. It's not my duty to harass him. Well, I know that he has been sent by the petitioner to do a job for him. Then somebody tells you, oh, go to the petitioner and consult him. If the petitioner could do the work, he himself would have been there. That's what I want to find out. But how am I harassing him?
Well, you're harassing him respectfully because the petitioner has indicated that it wasn't just somebody told them that go and talk to the petitioner. The petitioner has indicated that the returning officer...
The witness or the petitioner?
The witness. The witness. The witness. Thank you for the correction. The witness has indicated that the chairperson, not just anybody, the chairperson, who is a returning officer, was the person with whom his colleague had the conversation, and on the basis of that, they were sent to talk with the petitioner. And he has given every account of why they thought it fit that both of them should go. Now, so if repeatedly an opinion is being put to him, that is harassment of the witness, and that's not allowed.
My last question.
Thank you.
My last question, Doc. Just by the way, what do you lecture at University of Ghana? The subject, please.
My Lord, I teach public policy.
Okay, thank you.